The sun rises from east. Here, when we talk about habits, general talk, universal facts, so it depicts the tense named simple present tense. In this, we learn about daily or routine activities. It called it simple present tense. The sun sets in the west. So the sun is sets every day in the west, not in east. All the cars stop at this crossing. Important words for simple present tense. Subject plus verb plus object. Which acts do regularly and every day that depicts simple present tense. Its formula is subjects plus verb plus other words. Example, I go to temple. He goes to temple. When he see it, you put s behind verb. Simple present tense rules. He, see, it. When the word, you put s behind the verb. But when words end with ss, sh, ch, o, x, and double z, then you put es behind the verb. Example, I teach. He teaches. When y behind the verb, you put I instead of y and add es into last of verb. Example, I try. He tries. But when y is behind the verb and vowels, you put only s behind the verb of verb. Example, I play. He plays. So, example of simple present tense. He lives in Mumbai. My friend goes for walk daily. My friend goes for walk every day. So there are particular words in these sentences like daily, every day, helps. My teacher teaches me English. Now we learn a negative form of simple present tense. First we show the formula. Do plus not means don't. But when he see it, you put does plus not means does not. Example, I do not have or take coffee. My brother does not go to college. Some people don't follow the rules. Money don't know my friend. Simply you understand and remember the formula of negative form of simple present tense. The formula is subject plus do does plus not plus verb plus other words. Thank you.